Congratulations on getting started with braces. Now, to make your journey even a little bit more fun and easier, I'm going to give you 3 critical tips and tricks, let's call them hacks, for making your braces journey a little bit more fun. Braces tend to hold on to plaque and food really easily, so to stay cavity free you have to work a lot harder. But here's the most common place that patients will miss when they're getting their braces on, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do to prevent what's called white spots or pre-cavity lesions. The first hack is to make sure that you keep this area very clean. Now, that's the area between your bracket and your gums. Here it is here, bracket and the gums, and on the lowers it's from here to here. Now, most people when they're brushing, they'll do a decent job brushing right in the front areas, but they will miss that exact spot on the lower and on the upper. And to get it, what you want to do is make sure that your bristles have gone underneath that area, and to tilt actually into the gum tissue is the best and most effective way to keep that area clean. Flossing is super important when you're in braces, and it's super time consuming. But for hack number 2, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to get the best flossing possible, even with braces on. Here I have a regular floss pick, and here is what I have that's called a platypus flosser. You're going to want to get some of this stuff. Let me show you how it works. The regular floss pick won't really work because when you're flossing, the wire will prevent the floss from being able to go all the way down. Whereas your platypus flosser has a thin section that manages very easily to get underneath and behind your arch wire. Again, it's called the platypus flosser, and this is the way to go when you're trying to floss with brackets on. When you're first getting your braces on, your gums and cheeks aren't really used to the rubbing of the brackets against them, and so wax is going to be your best friend. But for tip number 3, I'm going to show you the best wax and an alternative super way to keep your cheeks and gums from getting that irritation when you're just brand new into braces. Alright, so let's say this thing is rubbing against your cheeks and it's bothering you. Dental wax is going to be your best friend. Now, your wax is going to be clear, but I'm showing it to you on a pink version so that you can see it more easily. You're going to take a nice big chunk off. Don't be shy. The more you use, the more likely it is to stick well. And you're basically just going to put a nice big blob right over the area. And now when your cheek is rubbing there, hopefully it won't bother you as much. Now, sometimes dental wax just simply doesn't work because you got too much saliva in the area and this thing just doesn't stick. So what you want to use is called Gishigu. This is the good stuff. Now, you have to order this stuff online, and we also carry it in office sometimes. And it's much better to have it before you need it. But the way this works is it's got a 2-part syringe. There we go. You squeeze out however much you think you need in equal parts. You rub together the IV and the white color until you get a nice consistent paste, and then you put that right over the spot, be it your bracket or very often a poky wire, and it's amazing. Once this thing sets, it holds on really well. Congrats again, and I hope these little hacks can make your journey a little bit easier, and I can't wait to see your finished project. Talk to you then.